Today, we're installing a probe port. In 2014, Weber added this little grommet to the side of their Smoky Mountain cookers for temperature probes. If you own or happen to buy an older model that lacks a probe port, you can easily add one for around $12. Now you can certainly waste your time with a step bit, or get right down to brass tacks with a 1 1/4 inch hole saw, which is the exact size hole you'll need. On a newer WSM, you'll find these ports are installed between the upper and lower bracket bolts and offset to the right about 2 or 3 inches. And that's exactly where I'm going to install mine. You can put yours wherever you want. All you need to do here is drill a pilot hole and step your way up to the center bit of the hole saw, which in my case is 1/4 inch. Once the hole is cut, file the edges to remove any rough or sharp spots. And to prevent rust, brush a small amount of paint over the bare metal. The grommet can be tough to seat, but adding a drop or two of dish soap in the crack of the grommet will help it slide in place much easier. That's it! In less than 10 minutes, you can add a probe port to your cooker. For more mods like how to install a hinge or wheels on your Weber Smokey Mountain, check out these great videos. As always, thanks for watching.